Hello and welcome back to English Chats.
Today, we're going to train your mouth, your mind, and your muscle memory with one of the most powerful tools for fluent English pronunciation, tongue twisters. If you've ever felt like your words get stuck, mixed up, or misunderstood, you're in the right place. Are your words getting lost in translation? Let's fix that. Think about how many times you wanted to speak clearly, but your tongue simply didn't cooperate. Maybe people asked you to repeat yourself. Maybe you felt nervous, or maybe your accent felt too strong. Today, we're going to change that. Clear pronunciation builds confidence. It helps you sound natural. And in 2025, good communication is an advantage in school, work, interviews, and everyday conversations. And here's the fun part. One of the best ways to train your pronunciation is not grammar drills, but tongue twisters. So, let's unlock the science behind these playful phrases. Tongue twisters are not just silly phrases. They are powerful pronunciation workouts. Each twister targets specific sounds like P, B, S, sh, f, or R. When you repeat them slowly and correctly, your tongue forms new habits. Your mouth learns new movements. Your brain builds stronger pathways. This is muscle memory. And that's why tongue twisters are used by actors, singers, public speakers, and language learners around the world. And there's a bonus. Practicing pronunciation improves your listening skills too. When you can produce a sound clearly, you can hear it more clearly. So, before we dive into practice, now you know the why. Let's begin the how. Let's start easy. Beginner tongue twisters are perfect for warming up your mouth and getting used to English rhythm. Our first one is the classic. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Let's break it down slowly. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Focus on the strong P sound, like a small puff of air. If you're not sure, put your hand in front of your mouth. You should feel the air push out. Now, try it a little faster. Good. Now try it again. A bit smoother. Great work. Now, let's level up with intermediate and advanced challenges. These next ones require more control and focus. The first one. She sells seashells by the seashore. This trains the S and sh distinction. S is sharp, like a snake. Sh is smoother, like quiet wind. Practice slowly, then build speed. The second one. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. This one tests your B, T, and short vowel sounds. Take it slow. Feel the rhythm. Then speed up only when you feel comfortable. You are doing amazing! If you want to improve even faster, record yourself saying each twister. Listen back. Notice the sounds you can sharpen. Over time, your pronunciation will become clearer, stronger, and more natural. But tongue twisters aren't just exercises. They're training for real conversations. Every time you practice them, your mouth becomes more flexible. You form sounds more confidently. You speak more smoothly. So let's talk about how to use tongue twisters in daily life. You can warm up every morning with one slow twister. You can practice in the bathroom while brushing your teeth. You can repeat them before an English class, a meeting, or when preparing for a speaking exam. Consistent, small practice leads to real results. Your pronunciation journey is a long path, but today you took a strong step forward. You learned why pronunciation matters. You learned how tongue twisters build fluency. You practiced beginner and advanced twisters, and now you know how to include this training into your daily routine. So here's your challenge. Which tongue twister is your favorite? Try one today, record it, repeat it, improve it, and share your progress with the world. If you want more tips for fluent English, more pronunciation practice, and more confidence-building lessons, subscribe and join our learning family. This is English Chats, helping you speak clearly, confidently, and beautifully. See you in the next lesson.